Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. So this is actually a Urus that I have bought recently, and this was a 360 number. Initially I was not having this, and I bought this from some collector, so it was open, but I just opened the package and thought I should make a video, and let's do that. We all have seen couple version of this car, but this one is in orange, and we usually say it orange, but Lamborghini say it Arancio Borealis. Whatever. This is a cool casting to have, man, and I was not having this in this color. Of course, you guys know all the details and everything. I just wanted to show it to you that I've added it, and I really like the exhaust system here. The wheels look cool, the color is fine, the back lights, front lights, and everything is here. Do let me know which of these you have. I have this is like 6th version that I've got. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.